Hello, I'm Noah Kretz, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the basics of Google Photos. So the first thing we're going to learn is how to organize photos. So to do this, what you want to do is to select the photos you would like to put together, go to Add or Create New, select Album, and go to New Album. And then it will take all of the photos that you have selected and you can name the album that you would like to put them in. So the second thing we are going to learn how to do is edit photos inside of Google Photos. This is also fairly easy. All you have to do is select the photo, select edit, and then in the first tab you can put on a color filter. In the second tab you can adjust light, color, and the contrast or the pop. You can also select a drop-down menu and change the lower parts of the light contrast level. You can also do this with the color selection. So the next thing that I will be showing you how to do is share photos. So this is also relatively easy. All you have to do is select the photos you would like to share, and then come to the top right to the share button. And you can select an email to share this to, or you can select a new album, and you can add this to a shared album. You can get a link. You can post this to Twitter, you can post this to Facebook, and you can put this on Google+. So next, to add details to an image, all you have to do is select the image like you're going to edit it, come up to the Info tab, and here are all the details to the images. So the first detail you can add is a description. So I can put green bunny. There's also the date, the name of the image, and where the image was taken. And the last thing you can do is create a photo album from scratch. So all you have to do to create a photo album from scratch is go to Albums on the left side, select New Album, and then select the images you would like to be in the album. Select Create, and then you can name the album. That is how to use the basics of Google Photos. Thank you for watching.